Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make stir-fried crab, also known as kdam. And here are the ingredients. 2 already cut Dungeness crab. I have a link to the video of how to cut it in the description. Green onions, tomatoes, minced garlic, salt, chicken-based mix, oyster sauce, coconut milk, basil. That's all. Let's get started, guys. Here I have a wok. I have heated up into medium heat, and now I'll add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now I can add in our minced garlic, which is about 2 to 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. And I will stir fry it until it becomes nice and golden brown. Once it switches color, I will add in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And I will also toss in about 1 teaspoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt. After we add in our seasoning, now's a good time to add the crabs. Now we can quickly stir fry the crab with the seasonings and garlic and oil. And let's not forget chicken-based mix, which is about 1 teaspoon. After we coat the crab with all of the seasonings, now's a good time to add in some of the coconut milk, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons. After we add our coconut milk, now we could stir fry it all together. The next step is to add our vegetable, which are the green onions, tomatoes, and Thai basil. After we mix the herbs and the vegetable into the crabs, we will cover it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we will turn on the heat to low. 15 minutes has passed. Now quickly stir fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Our stir-fried crab is done. Now let's take a taste test to see if we need any more seasoning. And it tastes good to me. Our stir-fried Dungeness crab is done, guys. The stir-fried is best eaten with a bowl of steamed rice or on its own. And the liquid from the stir-fried can be used for a sauce. It is so good with rice. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.